a bit of vodka to start the video. Hello everyone. So today's video is the first one of 3 videos I made about home photography ideas, and today we're gonna talk about high-speed photography and how you can take pictures like this using your TV as a background, and later you can put them together and make a video like the one you saw in the intro. The lights I use for this video are the one in the list. As always, I'm shooting with my Sony 7 III with the Tamron 2875 and 75mm. You need as much lights as possible, so I'm shooting at 2.8. You will need a very high speed shutter as the camera keeps moving around, so probably 250 to 400 at least to keep it sharp. We want the camera set at high plus in the Sony, so you take the maximum frames per second that you can. If you have a different camera, make sure you set the shooting mode to the maximum photos of frames per second. The more frames you get, the better it will look, the final video. Some of the settings might change depending on what you are after and the lighting you use, but I will share my settings for each of them so you get an idea. We have the Osmo action hanging off some fishing line, and the line is tied to this reflector holder. I attached to both of these light stands to make sure it doesn't fall, and cover it with tape to make sure it doesn't move in the holder. So then once we have all the lights and the subject is ready, we spin the product very slightly, and once it's moving in the direction and speed we want, we start shooting. We will need at least 36 to 48 photos to get enough of the subject spinning around to later make the video. The more the better, so later editing we can maybe remove some if we don't like how it looks. For the second idea with the water, we need a container. In this case I use this one, which is actually a pot. It's not too big, but the idea is to take different pictures and blend them together. You can see both of them here and now, the final picture after some charging in Photoshop. I also try in the garden. This wasn't planned, but I tried in the garden with the hose, with the camera hanging from the fishing line again as before, this time with the laptop as a background and covering the laptop with a plastic to make sure I don't spill any water and damage my computer. And with the lens at 75mm to have a very tight frame again. There you have the results. If you liked this video, stay tuned for tomorrow videos, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would be highly appreciated. Also, if you have any questions about how I edit this picture, or maybe I didn't explain properly how I take the pictures, please drop the comment below. I will try to make it better for the next video, and I might do in the future some videos about how I edit these photos and other kind of editing. So if you leave me any question in the comments, I will make sure to make a video or to add it in the next video. So see you in the next one.
Yeah.